Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Watson's Blood Orange Body Lotion. Watson's Blood Orange Body Lotion combines the antioxidant and skin brightening effects of Italian blood orange oil and Kakadu plum extract, which gives you a youthful and more luminous skin tone. This body lotion moisturizes dry skin and evens out uneven skin tone. This product is often compared with other luxurious and highly remarkable products. It is also made with hydrating and high-performance ingredients designed to restore youth to your skin through nutrition. Watson's Blood Orange Body Lotion contains a unique signature herbal complex ingredient that helps to ease the skin's aging process, relieving irritation and helping to reduce the appearance of scarring and stretch marks. After a few days of use, your skin will feel velvety, radiant and conditioned. How to use Blood Orange Body Lotion. After cleansing your skin with blood orange shower gel, apply an appropriate amount of this body lotion onto body and massage gently into skin until fully absorbed. For optimal results, use it in conjunction with the rest of Blood Orange bath and body care range on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.